Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo. We unboxed before the Realme Buds Air 2 and these are the Neo version. We will see the difference between these two devices and we will see which one works better and what we have in the Neo version. We will talk about the sound, we will talk about the function that they have. So let's go ahead, start the unboxing, see what we got. The new Realme Buds Air 2 Neo has active noise cancellation, 28 hours of playtime, and 60% longer than before. We have dual mic for better calls, and also these dual mics function for noise cancelling, which works pretty good. And we have smart wear detection. Also, these earbuds only needs 10 minutes of charge for 3 hours of playtime, which is very good. And very good if you are in a hurry. You can charge them for only 10 minutes and you can play 3 hours of music. And also they have hi-fi boost booster and also gaming mode, which is very good because most of today's earbuds don't have that function. You can see in the package they come in separate, not in the box itself. This is how they will look like when they are charging. Very good case, very good material. They feel solid. In the box itself, here in the inside, we will find the charger itself. Very small but very good charger. The color is a lot better than usual. Type-C charger. We have the user manual on how to use them. As you can see, the function in the back. And also we have, as we mentioned before, the user manual and the warranty card as well. This is the warranty card, and these are all the things that we will find inside of the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo box. In the back we have the earpieces, so we can change them. To connect these earbuds, like usual, we go to the Bluetooth, press new device, and we wait until we can see the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo. As you can see at the bottom, there we have. Press them, press pair, and you are all set. So this is all that it takes to connect the Neo Earbuds 2, and this is very easy way to connect them. Let's go straight to the YouTube and test the sound. Honestly, the bass is really good. As we mentioned before, we have bass boosted. Very good sound, very clear, and the noise cancelling is awesome. I barely can hear myself talking. But one thing that I noticed with Android, I'm not sure if is the fault of the earbuds or is the fault of my phone, but the touch buttons doesn't work. As you can see, usually with double tap they pause and play, triple tap to play the next song or the previous song, press and hold for 2 seconds to change to power the Google Assist or the Siri, and if you press both of them at the same time, they change the noise cancelling or they turn that off. But you can see I'm pressing, I took off the cover that they have for protection, nothing, I got nothing in the Android. I'm going to use one other phone and let you know in comment if they worked or not, but in iOS we will see what we have. Now it's time for iOS. We saw in the Android that they connect, we can hear the sound, but we can't control it. Here in the iOS, again, we have to go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, and all the way down we have the new devices. We can see immediately the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo, press it, and they connect immediately, which is a very good thing. Very fast way to connect. Let's go straight to the YouTube and test them out. Again, the sound is same, very good sound, very good bass, very clear, and all the function works pretty good. You can see how the video stopped with double tap in the iOS. It will stop the music. You can see that I'm skipping the songs, I'm changing them with the right one, with the left one you go to the previous song. And in the iOS all the function work, including the noise cancelling with double tap, and we have the gaming mode as well. but in the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo, I couldn't connect them with the Realme app, which I did in the Air 2. But honestly, both of these devices, the sound is very good. This is the only thing that I have to mention, that in the Android I couldn't got them to work with the options. So guys, this was all for today's video. Let me know in comment down below what do you think about these devices, and if you have these earbuds Air 2 Neo, let me know if they work for you.